what up folks, this is Rainer here from Trading with Rainer. So this will be the weekly analysis for the 12th of May, and it also coincides with Mother's Day. So to all moms out there, I would like to wish you a happy Mother's Day. So let's get back to business, and the first pair we'll be looking at will be the famous dollar yen. The whole world is just watching at the 100 level, which we were talking about last week, and guess what? It finally broke the 100 level. So look at the weekly chart, we can see price form this bullish pattern, breaking through the 100 with ease. So remember last week I said I had a bearish bias on the dollar yen because my friends are trying to get long on it. So guess what? I'm wrong, but no pain because I wasn't short because I simply couldn't find any short entry. So price rallied and broke the 100, and let's see where could we look for longs right now. Looking at the 4-hour charts, the logical place to get long now would actually be here, the 100 level. Because why do I say that? Because previous resistance might turn support right now. I'm anticipating previous resistance to turn support. Thus, the 100 will be a level I'll look to get long. See? Resistance, resistance. Price finally broke out of the resistance, and I'm anticipating a long for price to retrace and look for long at this 100 level. So, yep, the 100 level again is a key level to look at for long opportunities. So, the next pair I'll be looking at would be the Euro Dollar. Let's see the Euro Dollar. Okay, the Euro Dollar weekly. Alright, in terms of trend, yes, my bias has still not changed because you can see the impulse leg, corrective leg, the impulse leg, corrective leg, and right now we are still on the verge of forming our next impulse leg. In anticipation, it may shoot up to this level here. However, price is actually stalling right now, and if you actually look carefully, we have a potential head and shoulders pattern that's forming, which is a bearish signal. See the left shoulder, the head, and a potential right shoulder that is forming. So my bearish bias will only be confirmed if price breaks the 127.50 level, which is here. So if price close strongly below this level, then I have a bearish bias on this pair. But right now, if you ask me, I'm not really totally bullish or bearish, but rather I'll say neutral on this pair. You can see that for the last few weeks, this pair has actually been ranging between the 132 level and the 1.295 level. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we can actually play a range trade. So yep, you can see here clearly, price is being contained in these two levels, the 132 and 1.296, which is actually here and here. So the most logical thing to do in a range play is actually to buy low, sell high. See, sell high, buy low. So what is low, what is high? To me, low is actually when price reaches the 1.296 and high when price reaches the 132. Do I simply want to sell when price touches this level, or do I wait for some sort of confirmation? To be frank, I would most probably wait for some kind of confirmation like the pin bar or the bearish engulfing pattern. But for more aggressive traders out there, what they would like to do is actually go long or go short when price touches any of this level. So say for example, I'm looking to go long, and here's what I'll do if I'm aggressive. The moment price touches this low here, I'll look to go long and place my stops with possibly a 7-day ATR, could be around here. So yeah, this is the more aggressive way of trading. So the moment price touches, I'm automatically long, meaning I place a buy limit order. For the more conservative traders out there, like me perhaps, what I'll do is look for a candlestick pattern to confirm that price would hold at this level. So yep, two different traders out there, and definitely many ways of trading this pair. So that's what I'll do if you ask me. So the next pair we'll look at will be the Aussie Dollar. So look at the weekly chart, we can see that this pair has finally broken out of its range. See, it was being contained between the 10585 and the 1015 for, I don't know, God knows how long, since last year July. And finally, this week it broke down the range. The reason being was the Bank of Australia had a rate cut of 25 basis point, which is about 275 basis point right now. So that explains the bearish down move of it, despite its stronger job labor report. So we have conflicting news, one bearish and one good, but overall the sentiment is still bearish as price tanked below the support level. So meaning traders look at the rate cut as more serious compared to the improvement in jobs. So let's see how we can actually play this pair. So now we have a bearish bias. So looking at a 4-hour chart, okay, actually there are many ways to trade this. You can go down to the 1 hour or 5 minutes with the bearish bias to trade. However, the most easiest way to trade is actually what I recommend for price to actually rally back towards the 1015 and form some sort of bearish reversal pattern like the pin bar or the engulfing pattern, right? But this is not the only way to trade. I mean, traders can look to go to even to the 1 hour chart and look for short opportunities, but I do not want to go there because that would take up even more time in explaining it. So the easiest way, if you ask me, is actually let price comes to you, which is approaching the 1015 level. Alright. Now the next pair that I would like to look at would be the Euro Australian dollar. So as we can see, this is the weekly chart, and I'd like to point out something really interesting. Right? You can see here that the 1.3 level is a key level. Looking at this weekly chart and I zoom out, you see how many times we tested it? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Okay, this almost make it. 5 time, fake out. And right now, we're at this level again. Will it hold? I really don't know. But that is a key level that traders from all around the world are looking at. So definitely a level you have to pay attention to. So let's see how I might find some short opportunities at this level. So looking at the daily chart, again, you can see how price is reacting to this level. So if you want to look for shorts, again, the safest way will be looking for those pin bar engulfing pattern, like how I've always repeat over and over again. So for those who do not know what that is, I'll recommend going to my trading education page and look up and perhaps get a better understanding of what's it all about. So yep, again, that's not the only way to trade short, There's another possibility would be price could actually form perhaps a double top here, and when price breaks below this what we call support level, we can go short with stops above here. So that's another scenario I can give you. Or perhaps price may form a what you call a fake out, meaning price rally strongly upwards and after that close strongly downwards, creating a bull trap. Another scenario I'm giving you. So there's really many ways that you can anticipate how price will react at those levels. So as you get more and more experience, you have those many if-then statements that will be in your head and you react accordingly to how price reacts. So all this really comes with experience, So I hope you spend more time with the charts and perhaps better understanding on how the markets actually move. Alright? And the last pair that I'll cover is actually the Euro Pound Weekly. As you can see, for the last 2 weeks, price has also been contained within the range of 84 and 84.9, 84.9. So looking at the 4-hour chart again, it's similar to the Euro Dollar. So it's basically a buy low, sell high thing. So you can see price at 0.849 and 0.84. So comes here, you're looking for sell. Comes below, you're looking for buys. So that's again another range play. So that's how I would trade this pair if you ask me. So that will be this week for the analysis, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Find something useful, And again, once again, to all mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. With that, I wish the best for each and every one of you out there, and good luck and good trading. Remember, you'll never trade alone when you're trading with Rainer.